So here I have a chance of growing this account regardless because hello, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you my secret strategy that I have discovered, and it can help you to grow a small account, let's say from $10 to 100 to 1000. So this is a simple strategy that anyone can copy and impress. So the first thing is open or log into your account. So for those who are new to Deriv or have just created a new account, this is how their account will look like. So if you do not have an account, create using the link in the description below. So after creating an account, and then here is where you are, just choose on the options. Here we have the options. Here you can just trade using the Deriv trader. So this strategy will work on the digits, on over and under, and this is where I will show you how you can apply them. So here, just come here on the options, go below and then choose over and under. So here we have all these digits. On these digits will be either using 1 or 8. So if I choose 1 and then I say it will be over, I mean that it will be touching all these numbers except 1 and 0. And then I'll be able to win 23% of my stake. So if I say under, I win all this amount of money, but the chances will be low. So what do? The first thing you need to do is check the percentages. If you see the numbers have a lot of percentages, it means that they have been touched for a long time. And most probably, the percentage will keep or will start decreasing. So that is how you should be able to analyze these percentages. For example, here, if I decided to enter this market, instead of going with 8, I'll be going with 0 and 1. So for my case, I'll be choosing 1. Then this is the reason. These two numbers have a lot of high percentages. And if they have a lot of high percentages, it means that they should start reducing like these ones. You can say that way I'll be predicting with over. I'll be waiting for it to touch on those two numbers or any of them, and then I tap on over. And then the ticks, make sure that you choose between 2 or 3. So if I wanted to enter this market, let's say that for my case, if I have an account of $5, which stake should I use? So for my case, I can use $1, and you see that I will win this amount of money. So if I want to enter this market, you just need to wait for it to touch any of the two numbers, and then you enter that way. So you win that contract, and then the next thing you'll be doing is that after winning 1.23, enter that 1.23. So you enter 1.23, and then you see the profit you will be able to win. You just need to wait for it to touch on these two numbers, and then you enter. If for my case these two numbers had a higher percentage, then I will be going with under. But if you see that this market does not have those conditions, then you have the option to change to other markets, and then you can just look whether they have higher percentages. And then let's say that I won this one. If I win that, I change to 1.51, and then I win 1.86. I change to 1.86. You can see I win this one. So the next time I enter, I will start again with 1. I win 1.23. I enter 1.23 that way. So here I have a chance of growing this account regardless, because you might get caught when you try to use all your balance. That is why you can use this strategy. So what I said is that let's say that I use $1. The next is 1.23. The next is 1.51 and 1.86. This will be the last one. After doing this and winning all those contracts, I repeat, just repeat it that way. So you'll see that you'll grow your account regardless, This is a strategy that anyone can use regardless of how large your account is or how small your account is. So it is able to grow any account massively. So thanks for watching. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section. And if you like this type of content, subscribe and like this video. If you do not have an account, create using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.